What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be installing the Spec D exhaust and the wheels. So let me show you. So today I got the wheels mounted and balanced. So let's see them. They're gonna look sweet. So right now I'm just waiting for my buddy from our channel, Woodlands Crew PA. I'll keep the description down below. So right now I'm just waiting for him. I'm not sure what car he brought. I think he may have brought his Jeep. Hope he brought the Subaru, but I'm just waiting for him. He said it was right down the road, so I'll tune you guys in when he comes here. Alright, so she's in the garage now. Gonna let her cool down for a little bit so I'm not burning my fucking hands off. I love this car. I absolutely love the look of it and style of it. So we're also going to be tinting the headlights yellow, but that's just temporary because I'm going to be changing these out for the JDM ones. I think they come off the Type R, but they're black inside and they look incredible. So, yeah. My buddy also brought his heat gun, so I'm thinking about taking this off because I like the SI, I just don't like the Civic. So I think we're going to take that off too. Alright, here he comes. He's coming up with his Jeep. Thing's sick. Let's check it out. And there he is. Guys, so right now we are filming for Woodlands Crew, and we're going to be putting this exhaust on. We're not going to take you step by step on this channel, but on that channel you can do it step by step. But I'm just going to film like a nice, I don't know, just a nice little vlog type video. So we also have the wheels, so we're going to mount those. Got all the fenders, actually just the rear fenders. The front ones are fine. So yeah, I actually cannot wait. There are only two right now because the other two, the weights kind of fell off of them, and then I don't know. So I just want to have them to make sure. Absolutely sure that they're balanced and I'm not going to die when I'm driving. So, alright guys. Whatever you want to call it. And that is under here. We should do the back, right?
What side is the exhaust on? This side?
It's on this side, yeah.
Well, let's put it on the frame on the side so we can jack up the side.
I have two. I have two car I have jack stands too.
Okay. So then let's so let's jack it up on that side, and then we'll put a jack. A stand on either side, and then we'll use this on the other side.
Alright, well, I kind of want to get it as high as possible, because if we try to get it as high as possible, the easier it'll be, obviously. So, like the jack stands, I want to not put up all the way.
I already have the dog hair in my mouth from your house. I didn't even walk inside. Alright.
No, just you gotta hold the thing down.
Wait, but hold on. It's already recording, but I can't see it. What'd you just do?
I just scratched the car.
With that?
Yep. And my paint's not, and I'm not trying to say my paint's perfect, but it's in very good condition.
Not anymore. Yeah, and then he was just walking by and smashed this piece of wood and it almost hit his car again, so. Also, what was his on? What was his was this like this?
Yeah, it was just like that. Fuck it, right? Fuck it.
No, not fuck it.
Alright.
Okay, let's put this out of the way. Okay, so if we can get out, if we can get away with not hitting the car again.
This is so ridiculous. Alright. On this dumb kid's head. So what's going on right now?
This jack is just a little sketchy.
What?
I don't know. I've owned a jack before and never made that sound, so. It's not like it's where I'm mounting it, because that still looks absolutely fine, and it's the frame of the car, so.
Maybe just keep jacking?
It's your car, not mine.
Okay, keep doing it, I guess. Quick question, though.
Hello? I have paper.
From what? What is this?
It's your registration. Might as well rip that up.
I don't want this. I'm just kidding. It's my insurance. It's my insurance.
You just give your personal information, everybody.
I did. So we're gonna cut that out.
My favorite thing is that the jack is like moving while I'm jacking it up, which is absolutely awesome.
Well, it's probably because it's on a carpet. Nice. Is that good? Wait, no.
Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on.
No.
Wait, hold on.
No.
I'm not putting it on there.
Okay.
Why is the back of the car higher than the front of the car?
Goes?
The jack's way up here.
Yeah, well. Put it in the back then. Put it in the back.
This 4-cylinder engine must be really
Put it in
heavy.
the back.
Put what in the back?
That jack. Because then it will stay this high.
Okay. Hey, Chris.
Yo, Chris, why do you look in this camera? You look like you're 30.
Alright, man.
Chris looks like he's...
Wait, but stop. You want to know what's dope?
What? Don't tell me it won't fit back there.
There's no frame back here.
What? Oh, it's a unibody. So.
I can put it up.
Well, alright.
I mean, they're going to suck. That's just the way it is. They're just going to suck. But they're not as bad as these two right here. These are absolutely...
That we don't need to worry about at all.
This...
We will not need to worry about it at all.
Okay, that's fine. But this has rusted... this has rusted so much that the two flanges have become one, and the nut...
No.
Yeah, and the nut and the bolt are there. This is all one unit now. This would be sold as one unit.
This would be sold as one unit.
And first off, and look at this hanger, dude.
What?
Why is there a hanger below the exhaust? How does it make any sense? You see it?
Yeah, dude, it's hanging below.
The hanger is on the bottom of the exhaust.
You know, tomato, right? Well, unfortunately, we didn't get anything done on the car, but we tinted the headlights yellow because, I'll tell you why in a second, the exhaust was hella rusted. So hold on. We're driving with the crew right now. Yeah, I guess. Dude, this thing's freaking sweet. So what is it?
Kawasaki Vulcan 2100.
2100 freaking cc's. That is literally bigger than my motor. That is 1 cc bigger than my motor. That is actually insane. This thing flies. So we're gonna get a flyby of this thing. He also has no exhaust. Give it a little pop pop. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention with this bike is that it's got a damn car tire on the back of it. That's a 225 freaking car tire on the back of it. That's insane. Alright, what's up guys? So the other day when my buddy came over, we were going to do the exhaust and the coilovers. So, the exhaust right after the catalytic converter, there's so much rust there that it just fused the two metals together. So now I have to bring it to a shop and have them cut it and weld a new flange on. So that I'm not going to be installing, obviously, because I don't have a welder. I'm not a welder, and I don't know even how to begin doing that. So right now my buddy's coming over and we're going to install the coilovers. I got the top hats put on and everything ready to go, so we're going to put that on and then we're going to roll the fenders and put the new wheels on, because I am so excited for these new wheels to go on. They look so good. We mounted them when the car was up and it just looks amazing, so I can't wait. I know you guys can't wait, because it's just gonna make the car look 1,000 times better, because there are such small tires on there right now. So once my buddy comes over, I'll start filming again, and yeah. So I figured we'd start with the rear, just because it's a lot easier than the front. Let me show you. So I took the panel off already, but it's literally 1, 2, 3 bolts, comes right out, and you pop the other one in. So that one's gonna get done. That one's gonna get done. The only reason I'm doing the backs first is, like I just said, it's easier, because the front, because look, the rear coils You need to put a bolt down there and screw that in. Not that hard. This one, however, I'm going to have to deal with this, the tie rod ending. Have to jam that on out of there. Then I have to hook this up to the brakes and stuff. It's just going to be a pain. So I figured starting with the rear, make everything a lot simpler and make my life easier. So, already started. So my buddy hasn't answered me in like 15-20 minutes, so that's probably a good indication that he just got in the car and started coming here. So I'm gonna wait outside for a little bit and see if I can wait for him to see him. So what I did figure was right. He is coming over because look, he just showed up. Yeah, so he just showed up. He just popped up. He was there. Yo, do these stickers add like horsepower or something?
Which ones?
I mean, obviously the K&N, that probably added.
This one adds so much horsepower it's hard to fall off.
Yeah, because it's
This one adds torque.
nice.
See, a lot of people don't talk about torque stickers.
Oh yeah, torque stickers. I forgot about those. I don't have any torque stickers. How'd you get them?
I know a guy.
Wow, dude, it's fucking sick.
Listen to this.
That sounds like your knees. Like if your knees were a part of a car. Good. Let's do it. Okay, I thought I was just doing that for a second. I could just pull it. After you take the world's longest bolt out, we can get this thing in.
Do it as fast as you can.
I'm not getting any money from this anyway.
I wasn't recording that first part, so all they heard was that you're not getting any money from this anyway. Which is true, it doesn't matter what the hell happens.
Yeah, I could say.
Who's getting paid? Who's getting paid?
No one. Not me. It could be. I could say coronavirus right now because guess what?
I'm getting demonetized.
Oh, okay.
Getting demonetized.
All right.
Demonetized.
That's fine with me.
Can't say it, not allowed.
That's fine with me.
Can't say it. Only doctors can say it.
I'll be demonetized.
Can't say it.
I'll be demonetized.
Can't say it. Continue working, you can't say it. How'd that go? Was that nice?
Okay. I guess that did a lot of nothing. So.
Dope. It's going well?
No.
Why?
It's just fucking retarded. Sorry, I said the R word. It's probably gonna get demonetized forever.
Your face is clean though.
Yeah, it's really clean, not sweaty or anything. Let's get you on there. Let's get that on there. Let's screw this on in. And tell me how fucking high I need to bring it still.
Okay.
Right.
Try to go a little slower because that was a lot.
Uh-oh.
What?
Not good with screw. So how's it look still?
Is it all the way down? It looks okay right now, but it's all the way down.
How much space do I have?
If it's all the way down, you probably got an inch or two off the fender lip. Nope.
How bad?
It looks just like it did in the beginning. What is this, third time's a charm?
Yeah, but you know what's really stupid?
What?
I gotta do this on the other side.